Welcome back to Prince Chakras, the sanctuary for exploring the mysteries of the mind and the law of attraction. Today we delve into the profound wisdom of Neville Goddard and the intriguing concept that what you desire desires you. Neville Goddard, an influential philosopher and law of attraction practitioner, espoused the profound idea that our desires are not arbitrary wishes but powerful forces seeking expression in our lives. He emphasized that what we yearn for is intricately connected to our innermost thoughts and beliefs. Goddard often said, "Assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and let your imagination be the workshop where your desires take shape." When we vividly imagine and feel the reality of our desires, we set the stage for their materialization in our lives. Goddard often reiterated that our thoughts and feelings create our reality. What we consistently dwell upon in our imagination and assume to be true within us manifests in our external world. It's not just about wishful thinking, but about assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Goddard taught us to challenge those beliefs by reshaping our assumptions. When we persistently assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, we rewrite our subconscious programming. It's vital to identify and transform limiting beliefs to align with our desires. By consciously reprogramming our subconscious mind, we can pave the way for our desires to effortlessly manifest in our lives. Living in the end means experiencing the emotions and sensations as if our desires have already been fulfilled. Goddard often emphasized the importance of dwelling in the state of the wish already fulfilled. When we consistently live in the feeling of accomplishment, love, success, or abundance, we radiate that energy outward, attracting the circumstances and events that match our internal state. By living in the end, by embodying the emotions and feelings of our fulfilled desires, we magnetize those experiences towards us. It's not wishful thinking, it's an embodiment of the reality we seek. The subconscious mind, a focal point in Goddard's teachings, plays a pivotal role in manifesting our desires. Our deeply embedded beliefs, imprinted in the subconscious, act as a powerful magnet attracting experiences, people, and circumstances into our lives. In practical terms, aligning our desires with our beliefs is the key. If we desire success but hold deep-seated beliefs of unworthiness, there's a conflict. To harmonize and attract what we truly want, we must affirm the desired reality, assuming the feeling of the wish already fulfilled. Goddard advocated various techniques to manifest desires, such as visualization, affirmations, and living in the end. These practices are not mere rituals, but tools to shift our consciousness and create a vibrational match between our desires and our beliefs. By understanding and implementing Neville Goddard's teachings, we invite you to unlock your inner potential, embrace the power within, align your desires with your beliefs, and watch as your reality beautifully mirrors your imagination. Thank you for joining us today on Prince Chakras. Remember, what you desire desires you. Stay tuned for more explorations into the realms of the mind and the profound teachings that shape our reality. Until next time, embrace your desires and watch the magic unfold.